Hello and welcome to everyone. This is Dick Dohak, Gulf Point Properties, bringing you the December real estate market update for Southwest Florida. I'm bringing this to you on what happens to be Christmas Eve. So first and foremost, let me wish you a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and a very prosperous New Year. We've got some great statistics here to share, and I want to get to it. I know everyone's busy with the holidays, so we'll make it as quick as we can. All right. So first and foremost, we've got closed sales, and these statistics come from the month of November, so they release them this time of the following month all the time. So in November, sales were up from the previous year, 6.6% in Lee County and up 12.2% in Collier County. So that's pretty big numbers. That's pretty noteworthy. This is another noteworthy item this month because our prices seem to have leveled off. Well, in November, the prices actually jumped 5% in Lee County over last year. We haven't seen numbers that degree in a little bit of time. Collier, they were a little more stable, 1.8%, not much of a change there. Time to contract. It was flat this year compared to last year, and if you remember from previous times, this number was actually growing a little bit longer. So that's pretty good statistic right there. It was up just a little bit, 14% in Collier, a little bit longer in contract. That's what we had been seeing in Lee. So we'll watch that in future months and see what happens. New pending sales. We had 1,177 pending sales in November, and that's up 28.2%. Wow, that's a big number. Okay, and similar in Collier. They do less volume, obviously, but we had 480 sales. That's up 22.8%. So that's really noteworthy. That's something to watch. And at the same time, new listings have dropped. So we were down 7.4% in Lee and down 11% in Collier. One last statistic and then we'll kind of pull this all together. So the inventory level is down to 4.7 months of inventory. So that means of all of if everything in the MLS was to sell at the current pace, it would take 4.7 months to sell everything. That number is down to 6.9 months in Collier County, which always has a tendency to be longer. These are extremely low. So if we pull all this together, we've got pending sales are up, new listings are down, inventory is down. That tells us that we've moved pretty solidly into a seller's market. Now we're going into We're gonna obviously have December's numbers in January, but we're moving into the new year. Typically, there's a flood of inventory that comes online in January as we go into season. So we will see what happens in the coming months. But as it looks right now, we're in a seller's market, so the market should stabilize. We've got super low interest rates. And I think this season is going to be very active and it's going to be very strong. So anyway, once more, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to you, and wish nothing but the best for you and hope that we have an opportunity to serve you in the coming year.